Have several PDF files that need to be sent or uploaded together? Instead of managing multiple attachments, you can combine them into one organized PDF in just a few clicks. You may have a contract, an invoice, a report, and several supporting documents saved as separate PDF files. Sending each file individually can look disorganized and make document management more difficult. The easiest solution is to use an online PDF merge tool. It works directly in your browser, so you do not need to install additional software. First, open the PDF merge tool and click the Upload button. You can upload contracts, invoices, reports, forms, scanned pages, and other PDF documents. Select all the PDF files you want to combine. Once the files have been uploaded, check their order. Drag and drop each document to arrange the final sequence. For example, place the cover page first, followed by the main report, supporting files, and the appendix. When the files are in the correct order, click the Merge button. The tool will process the documents and combine them into one complete PDF file. After the process is complete, download the combined PDF to your device. PDF merging is useful for students, office workers, business teams, freelancers, and job applicants. You can combine assignments, contracts, invoices, reports, resumes, certificates, and scanned documents.